All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome aboard to the Morning Note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. It is Tuesday, June 21st, 2022. Remember, it's a Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. First day of the trading week was a shortened week due to the Juneteenth holiday yesterday. Back at it, we were tracking futures. I did a video, I believe, Sunday regarding Bitcoin. Feel free to check that out on our channel. That was the latest video. If you don't want to miss any more great videos as I do them, make sure to hit subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Let's go and talk about it. Good morning. Dow futures up 396 points, was up a little higher. Nasdaq futures up 1.5%. S&P futures up 1.48%. Russell 2000 up 1.5%. So a nice gap up day, which is what we were expecting. Some kind of short squeeze. Remember, we were talking about that for a while. Friday didn't have much action, but today I was expecting that. I do have some calls open. Crude oil up 1.82%. Pre-market gasoline up 2.6. Gold is flat at 18.39 an ounce. And I just got an alert. Let me go ahead and retweet this for you guys. So I just copy and paste all the Bloomberg headlines, and there you go. You have all the news that you need. So we go moving forward. Bond yields on the future side. Bond prices are down 0.45%. Euro dollars up 45 pips, 105.55. 136.22 up 0.81% for my Forex people. Bitcoin futures, as we talked about. I do have a spot price of 21,100. That's about $5 away on futures. Ethereum 1148. I did buy Ethereum and Bitcoin this weekend. Again, if you want more information on that, feel free to take a look at the last video I did on Bitcoin and why I'm a buyer. So we are up on the trade. I'm owning it, not a trade, but either way. Let's go and take a look at yields. Yields are up today. TNX about 51 points. Do have a gap up. Did fill. Now we have a gap up again. We should get back down to 32.45, at least for that fill of the gap. And then we also have one down at 31.62. So I expect yields to pull back a little bit. The dollar helping out stocks as well. Again, the dollar is down 0.39%, 104.28. Let's go and take a look at the VIX. And the VIX is down today at 30.42. We do have a gap to fill at 31. And we also have a gap to fill at 29.66. So a lot of gaps as we are opening this morning. In regards to news, let's take a look here. Anything that really stood out was, I believe, I know I tweeted about it. Kellogg jumps 9% on plans to separate into 3 companies. Other than that, that's pretty much it in terms of news. Nice bounce back in the markets. Let's go and take a look at some charts. S&P futures, first one, 37.50. I am long stocks. I do have Apple calls, QQ calls. Those should hit this morning. For our Discord members, I posted a note under the premium signals. If you guys want to take a look, you could see here. I went ahead and said it this morning at 7:49. I said, good morning, all. We do have Apple 135 calls to the 280 calls on Qs. I told them, hey, don't wait for a signal to close. If you see it over 40, go ahead and take it. This is our week last week. Well done. So as you know, I still have the market blog updating the team as we go. And if you want to see investment club alerts, again, you could see where I did buy Bitcoin here. We bought it at 18,277. We're at 21,041. Not bad. And I told the guys, listen, if you want to take profits on your 10% pop on Bitcoin, be my guest. I'm all for it. If not, I'm going to hold too. So again, if you want to watch that video, that's the previous video. So S&P futures key level 3750. If we do break that, I think we're going to go ahead and fill that gap to 3805. And then we have another gap to 3900. The good news is we have no other gaps to fill on S&P futures. We will have a gap on SPX. So let's go ahead and bring up SPX. This is the cash. We should open right around, let me get the number, 3730, probably right around here. So we'll get a gap right up here, 3735. Don't be surprised we fill that gap down, but we also have a gap up, 3789. So we're kind of in no man's land with that. In terms of the market, in terms of the S&P itself, when I want to buy, we're not there yet. 3,500 is my level. We're about 231 points above it. Again, all I expect here is a short squeeze, oversold condition, oversold bounce, bear market rally type. We'll get to 3,900, and after that, we'll see where we go. If we start getting to 4101, then we could start talking about possible, the worst is over scenario. But for now, again, we're just traders. All we're seeing is opportunities. We're going to probably get a bounce. Break 3750, we'll get to 3800. You break above 3819, you're going to get to 3900. And in terms of downside, your support is 3664. That's what you're looking for a break to go ahead and short. But other than that, pretty quiet Monday in terms of futures being up. That's nice to see. We'll find some opportunities out there. Let's take a look at Qs. I do have, which was the signal I have? I think I have the 280s, but let me make sure which is the ones I have based on signals. I do have the 290 calls, excuse me. So that should hit this morning. And you probably think, wow, those are really far out. Well, I wanted to buy a little more far out to get that premium. So we probably want to go and take that today. They do expire tomorrow, actually. So we'll take that in the morning. And in terms of Apple, we have the 135s. We're about a buck 40 away. We should be able to catch that. We did bounce earlier this morning at 5 a.m. on the open. We'll see if we can catch that. But at least that early morning move did fill that upward gap to 136.01. So there's no more gaps to fill. Best bet is just to take the profits and move on with our lives and see what other opportunities are out there. Again, if Bitcoin can hold above 20,000, that'd be a good sign. Again, we know the volatility with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin itself. But other than that, I'm definitely looking for more upside. Again, we know the drill. S&P is what we're looking for. We're looking for two levels. 3750 break, we want to go to calls at 3800. 3819 breaks, I want to go to 3900. Anything break down below that, we need to get below 3664. That's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, feel free to type them. Again, guys, if you have any questions in the future, type it in the comments box. Even after the video is over, I do check YouTube. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Sometimes the questions don't come up right away during the video. This is where you type it on the comment section. Would love to have you on board with our team, G.A.R Capital FX.com. We are opening more spaces for teaching. I will be helping with masterclass to teach as well. So those are one-on-one teaching sessions. We'll go over Bloomberg together as I'm learning as well. So again, if you're interested, feel free to message Kevin, K-E-V, G.A.R Capital, all one word, on Instagram, or feel free to shoot us an email, garcapital@gmail.com, or you can just go to our website, garcapitalfx.com, if you do enjoy these videos and want to be part of the team. Have a great rest of your afternoon. We'll catch you guys later on today for the after market recap. Cheers, guys.